Hi there and welcome back to the course. In this lesson we are going to animate the subtitle. Again, you could put whatever you like. I'm going to put online tutor. What we'll do is use Ctrl D to duplicate the text, and we'll drag it down above the subtitle rectangle number 3. Remove the alpha matte, select No Track Matte. Drag the text down to fit inside the rectangle. Change the color to white and the size to 60 pixels. Then change the text to online tutor or whatever you're going to write. Okay, just adjust it a little and there you go. Now duplicate the bottom rectangle with Ctrl D and place it on top of the text. Press U so you can see the keyframes. Let's put the timeline at the end, just after the last keyframe. Then we'll select them and delete them. Remove the stroke and add a fill in any color. Click on the layer and change the name to Subtitle Matte. Now select Alpha Matte and the text is ready to animate. In this case, we're not going to adjust the position, which, as you know, is in the transform options. This is because we could encounter problems if we wanted to move the text somewhere else. So we'll do something else. Click on Animate Position. You can adjust this value here. We'll put -100 here. We won't add any keyframes for this option. Instead, go into Range and as you can see, you have Start, End and Offset. See what happens when you modify these options. Right now, the text is animated one letter at a time. I don't want this to happen. Go to Advanced and we can fix this in the options here. Go to Based On and select Lines. Like this, see how the whole line of the text goes down. You can also select Characters, and the animation is one letter at a time. If you select Words, then the animation will be word by word. For our animation, we'll select Lines, so the whole line of the text is animated at the same time. Add a keyframe here at frame 14 and another one at second number 2. We need to adjust the values here so that our animation works, so we'll put 100%. Select both keyframes, right-click, Keyframe Assistant, Easy Ease or press F9 on your keyboard. Press U to see the keyframes. As always, go to the graph editor to adjust the speed, so it starts faster and gradually gets slower. Let's take a look. Okay, great. It just seems that it's going a bit slower though. So let's move the first keyframe to frame number 23. Then in Graph Editor, make it start a bit quicker. Okay, let's preview. and now it looks much better. Remember that this project is so that you learn the techniques. You can apply all of this to your own projects where you can design your own lower third animations with the logo, color and times that you prefer or that you require. Now the logo and the text are animated. All that's left to do is show you how to make the whole thing disappear, which is what we'll do in the next lesson. See you there.